Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. Now in this video, we are going to set our buttons to action. For that, we need to set the listeners for our buttons. So we are going to use the object that we have created for different buttons. I'm going to start with the sum. So write sum dot set on click listener. So this is basically a function which helps you to get your buttons to perform their tasks. So now press Ctrl space here. Now within this I have created this method public void on click view. Now close it and give it a semicolon. Here we go. Now inside this you need to write your code. So basically what we need to do is we need to retrieve first num and second num, and then when we press this button plus, then the result will be shown on the result slot. So go back to main activity.java. Now write here string now the object for the first num is named as first number. So write here first num dot get text. Get text helps you to retrieve the text from your edit text, and dot to string. So this basically retrieves the input that is given by the user in the form of string. So here we have got our first num. Now for the second number, take another string variable, suppose b. Now the object for the second number slot is second num. So write equals then second num dot get text dot to string. So we have retrieved the values of first number and second number. Now to do operations using number, we need to convert them to integer. So take integer variable. So I'm writing here int num1 equals integer dot %, then a. So this basically changes the string to integer. Integer dot %, changes the string to integer. Now for the second number 2, write int num2 equals integer dot %, and then the string name. So we have converted the two numbers into integers. Now take another integer variable, suppose result equals then num1 plus num2. So we have added them. Now again we need to convert the result into string because edit text accepts only string. So string c equals integer dot to string, and then give the integer variable name, so it's result. And now in the activity main.xml we need to show the result in this box. So that is our edit text 4. So the object of edit text 4 is id edit text 4 is res. So write res dot set text and write C. So the result C will be displayed on this result part. Now similarly we need to do for the other options such as difference, product and quotient. So similarly, after the semicolon, write difference dot set on click listener. Well, you can also copy this part so you don't have to write it over and over again. So copy this part totally. Control V. Now change these things. This first num and second num has to be taken by this format. Just you need to change the result by giving a negative sign here. Now you can also check if the number is greater or not. So write if num1 greater than num2. Since we don't want any negative number to appear, well, this you need to declare result. Declare result here. So int result semicolon. So here we have got this result. Now else result equals num2 minus num1. So we are done with the difference too. Similarly, we are going to do for the quotient and the product part. So similarly for the product, everything will be same. Just give here a multiplication symbol. So the product will be displayed on the result part. Now similarly for the division, if num1 is greater than num2, then num1 must be divided by num2, else num2 will be divided by num1. So we have set the listeners for all the buttons that we have used in our design, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we are done with the coding. In the next video we are going to run our app and see what happens.